Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Amorphous paper solution for class 8 stage 2 which was held on 16 November 2025 part 1st, that is physics. So let's start the solution with question number first. Let's move to the question number first. So in question number first, a student finds that she has to apply a horizontal force of 12 Newton to a wooden block to start it moving across a floor. However, once it is moving, she only needs to apply force of 8 Newton to keep it moving at a constant speed. This experiment demonstrate. So option first is rolling friction is less than sliding friction. No, this is incorrect. Option B is sliding friction is less than static friction. Yes, this is true. So B is the correct answer for question number first. Let's move to the next question. So in question number 2, a skydiver jumps from a plane. Initially, she accelerates downwards due to gravity. However, after some time, she reaches a constant speed known as terminal velocity. Why does she stop accelerating? So options are the force of gravity on her becomes zero at that speed. No, that is wrong. The buoyant force, no, buoyant force does not act on this. Balance the floor of gravity, this is incorrect. The upward force of air resistance becomes equal to the magnitude of force of gravity. Yes, this is the correct answer because net force is zero, so it stops accelerating. So C is the correct answer for question number 2. Let's move to the next question. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. So in question number 3, a horizontal force of 20 Newton, here it is 20 Newton, is used to pull a 4 kg block across a level surface, causing acceleration at 3 meter per second square. What is the coefficient of kinetic friction between block and the surface, assuming G is 10? So first we know that the kinetic friction force is mu k n. So n is what? mg. M is 4 kg and G is 10, so 40 Newton. So in this situation, the net force is 20 Newton minus frictional force equal to the object is moving with 3 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. So 3 into the mass of the object is 4. So 20 minus 12 equal to f of k. So that is 8 Newton and f of k is mu k into n. So 8 equal to mu, we have to find n is what? 40. So mu k is equal to 8 by 40, that is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 0.2. So our correct answer will be option number B for question number 3. Let's move to the next question. So in question number 4, a heavy 20 kg carrot rests on a rough horizontal floor. The coefficient of static friction between the carrot and the floor is 0.4 and the coefficient of friction is 0.3. A person pushes a carrot horizontally with a force of 50 Newton. What is the magnitude of frictional force acting on the carrot, assuming G is equal to 10? So the constant force is 50 Newton and we will find the static frictional force, that is mu s into n. Mu s is 0.4 and n is mg. So 0.4 multiplied to m is 20 and G is 10. So this is 80 Newton and the force is 50 Newton. So applied force is 50 Newton and the static friction force is 80 Newton, and we know that static frictional force is greater than applied force. So if we have to move the object, we have to apply 50 Newton force. So our correct option is B for question number 4. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 5. So in question number 5, we have a 3 statement. So we have to find which one is true and which one is false. Basically, this is true and false type question. So in statement first, the pressure exerted by a liquid at the bottom of a container depends on the total volume of the liquid in the container. So student, we know that the formula of pressure is rho gh. So it does not depend on volume. So first one is false. Second is a sharp knife cuts better than a blunt one because it exerts more pressure on the same applied force. Yes, the pressure is F upon A. So this is true. This is true. The next one is, third statement is, atmospheric pressure at the sea level approximately 101,000 pascals, which is equivalent to the pressure exerted by a weight of about 10,000 kg on a 1 square meter area. So pressure formula is F upon A. F is mg, m is 10,000 and g is 9.8. So we have 9800 and 0, that is Newton. So pressure will be force upon area. So 98,000 divided by 1. So this is almost equal to the pressure at sea level. So third one is also true. So we have F, first one is false, second one is true, and third one is true. So our correct option will be option number B for question number 5. So in next question, question number 6, we have to match column first with column second. So in column first, P is using a straw to drink a beverage is what? Action of atmospheric pressure. Now Q is the wide steps on a heavy backpack is matched with low pressure due to large contact area. So 3. A thumbtack easily piercing a board. So this is matched with high pressure due to a very small area. This is 2 and this one is 1. So our correct sequence will be 4, 3, 2, 1. So option number B will be correct answer for question number 6. Let's move to the next question. That is question number 7. Question number 7 and 8 both are based on same paragraph. So in paragraph, read the paragraph and associate the graph. Then answer the 2 questions that follow. A 50-gram block of ice is taken from a freezer at minus 10 degree. It is placed in a beaker and heated by a burner. This is heating graph that supply heat at a constant rate. The graph below show the temperature of the content of the beaker as a function of time. So this is temperature and this is time graph. So question number 7 says, what process is occurring during the segment AB where the temperature remains constant at 0 degree centigrade? So option A is the ice is getting colder. No, because this is heating graph. B option is heat is not being supplied during this time. That is also incorrect. The ice is melt into liquid water. Yes. So C will be the correct answer for question number 7. Let's move to the another question. So in question number 8, the segment CD boils is much longer than the segment AB melting. What does this implies? So options are the burner's power was increased during segment CD. No, this is incorrect. It takes more energy to melt ice than to boil the same mass of water. That is also incorrect. It takes more energy to turn 1 gram of water into steam, then melt 1 gram of ice. Yes, this is the correct answer for question number 8. So C will be the correct option for question number 8. Let's move to the another question, that is question number 9. So question number 9 is multiple choice question. So there will be more than one option can be correct. So we have to find the correct statement. So first is the buoyant force will be greater if the object submerged in the mercury density is 13,600 kg per meter cube, then in water. Yes, this is true because the formula of buoyant force is rho Vg. So density of mercury is greater than density of water. So buoyant force will be greater in mercury. So A is correct. An object will float if the buoyant force acting on it is equal to its weight. Yes, this is also true. Once an object is fully submerged, the buoyant force on it remains constant if it is pushed deeper into the liquid. Yes, this is the formula of buoyant force, so we can say that this is also true. The magnitude of buoyant force depends on the mass of the submerged object. No, this is false because buoyant force does not depend on mass. So our correct answer is A, B and C for question number 9. Let's move to the another one. So question number 10 is also a multiple choice type question. So there will be more than one option can be correct. So in question number 10, a physicist is reviewing fundamental principle of kinematics. 4 statements are proposed to describe the motion of a particle represented by its velocity V and acceleration A. You are asked with identifying the only statement that represent a universal truth holding for any possible physical motion without exceptional. Which of the following statements is always true? Which of the following statement about motion are physically possible and correct? So option first is an object can have zero velocity at a particular instant but still have accelerating. Yes, this is true. Basically we can take, if you throw a ball upwards, then at the maximum height the velocity is 0 but still accelerating downward. So A is correct. In option number B, an object's speed can be constant while its velocity is changing. Yes, this is also true. So basically velocity is a vector quantity, so it's depend on magnitude and direction. So velocity can be changed if the speed is constant, just because of direction can change. Okay, the statement is the average velocity of an object over a time period of time can be 0 even if its average speed not 0. Yes, this is also true. If an object has a constant non-zero acceleration, its speed must always be increasing. No, this is false. So our correct answer is A, B and C for question number 10. So these are the solution of part physics. I hope you get your answers. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to MOF paper solution of stage 2 of chemistry subjects. Let's start our questions. So question number 11 is a class 7 science teacher arranged the following set of test tubes. In first picture you can see 10 ml of potassium hydroxide and 5 ml of orange juice is added. We know very well potassium hydroxide is base and 5 ml orange juice is acid. So it will form a basic solution. This is basic solution. 10 ml of sulfuric acid, 5 ml of window cleaner. It will make an acidic solution. In picture third, 15 ml of sodium hydroxide, 10 ml of vinegar. It will make a basic solution. And 1 teaspoon curd, 10 ml of tamarind. It will make an acidic solution. So now come to the options. Which of the following observation is correct when these solutions were tested with the different indicators? Indicators are those substances which show different colors. They show either the solution is acidic or basic. So let's start from option A. In test tube 1 and 3, turmeric solution remains yellow. 1 and 3 turmeric solutions remains yellow. No, it is a basic and turmeric changes into the red color. So option number A is wrong. And come to the option number B. In test tube 2 and 4, China rose indicator turns magenta. Magenta is a color like dark pink. We can say that dark pink color. Dark pink color. And 2 and 4, see the picture 2 and 4, it is acidic and acidic. Yes, option number B is correct. So we know very well this is a single choice question. So option number B is correct. There is no need to go further C and D options. Let's move to the next question. Question number 12. A few solutions were tested with the different indicators and results were noted down in a given table. Here a table is given in which total 5 solutions are given. These 5 solutions are tested with 2 types of indicator. One is China rose indicator and another one is methyl orange indicator. The results are given in this table. Let's check out all these results. In first solution, V solution shows dark pink color in China rose indicator and red color in the methyl orange indicator. It means the V will be acidic solution. Acidic solution. In second number solution W, it again shows dark pink color in China rose indicator and red color in methyl orange indicator. Therefore, it is also an acidic solution. X solution shows light pink color in China rose indicator and orange color in methyl orange indicator. Therefore, it is neutral in nature. Y solution shows green color in the China rose indicator and yellow color in the methyl orange indicator. Therefore, it is base. Z solution shows light pink color again in the China rose indicator and orange color in the methyl orange indicator. Therefore, it is also neutral in nature. So we have 5 type of solutions and these 5 solutions have different type of natures: acid, base and neutral. So let's read the content. Study the given table carefully and fill in the blanks by choosing an appropriate option. Solution 1 will have no effect on blue litmus paper. No effect means if the solution is neutral and if the solution is basic in nature, therefore it does not show any effect on the blue litmus paper. We know very well neutral is X and Z and base is Y. Therefore, in first blank, we conclude that it is X, Y and Z. Let's move to the second blank. In second blank, while the solution second will turn blue litmus to red, we know very well if the solution is acidic, it will turn blue litmus into the red color. Therefore, the answer is V and W. Therefore, in second blank, the answer is V, W. Let's move to the third number blank. In third number blank, we know very well phenolphthalein remains colorless in solution third, while it changes to pink color in the solution 4. Phenolphthalein always change color only in the base. In neutral, it remains colorless. In acidic, it remains colorless. Therefore, in the third number blank, the phenolphthalein will have a neutral means X and V and W and Z. And in fourth, phenolphthalein color changes into the pink. It means only and only Y solution can change the phenolphthalein color. Therefore, in fourth, the answer is Y. So, according to this code, we have to match this code with our options. We know very well it completely matches with option number B. So, our correct answer is option number B. In question number 13, when superheated steam is passed through white hot coke, it gets reduced to a mixture of X and Y. Y is a highly inflammable gas. The mixture of X and Y is named as Z. So we know very well, when we are superheated steam contains water. Superheated steam contains water. Through a white coke, it means it contains carbon. Coke contains carbon. When we are superheating it, it will form carbon monoxide along with hydrogen gas. So here we have to read further. Y is highly inflammable. We know very well hydrogen is highly inflammable. So our Y molecule is hydrogen gas. Now the mixture of X and Y is named as Z. Mixture of X and Y. This is X. Carbon monoxide is X. So mixture of X and Y is named as Z. We can call it water gas. So according to this, which option is correct? Option number B is correct. So move to the next question. Question number 14. In question number 14, hydrogen satisfies the condition of an ideal fuel but cannot be used freely because we know very well hydrogen is a very high calorific value substance. So we know very well, but here it is written but cannot be used freely because it is difficult to store and transport. It is highly inflammable. Number 4 option. We know very well calorific value is high, but according to this question, it is not correct. And also in option number 3, it is not soluble in water. Okay, so first and third is wrong. According to this, which option is correct? According to this, second and fourth, option number C is correct. Let's move to the next question. Question number 15. In question number 15, there is true-false statement based question. Which of the following statement is true or false? Coal and petroleum are considered as renewable. No, coal and petroleum is not renewable. So it is false. Petroleum refining is done to separate its different useful components like petrol, diesel and kerosene. This is true statement. Formation of coal occurs from the dead plants buried deep inside the earth under high temperature and pressure for millions of years. Yes, 100% this is true. So these second and third are true and first is false. FTT is the code. So FTT is the code. Option number D is correct. Let's move to the next question. Question number 16. In question number 16, match the column is given, column 1 and column 2 is given. Let's check column 1 and column 2. P, carbonized fuel, fossil fuel. Carbonized fossil fuel is coal. We have to write P, Q, R and S. P contains option number 4. Ideal fuel, there is no any ideal fuel, but we can consider LPG as a ideal fuel. So Q contains option number 3. Invisible zone of the candle flame, it is the non-luminous zone. It is number 2. And the coolest zone of the candle flame is dark zone. So it contains 1. According to this, which option is correct? 4, 3, 2, 1. Option number B is correct. Let's move to the next question. Question number 17. In question number 17, we have to read a paragraph. On this paragraph, 17 and 18 number questions is asked. Let's read this paragraph. During a classroom experiment, a glass plate was carefully placed in a certain part of the candle flame for a few seconds, after which some visible changes appeared on its surface. In another activity, while working with alcohol in the laboratory, the teacher reminded the students to follow safety precautions and avoid placing it directly over a flame, warning that it might lead to unexpected consequences. Let's read our question number 17. When you introduce a glass plate into a luminous zone of a candle flame for a few seconds, the observation is shown in figure second. This is the figure second. What does the observation indicates? We know very well black ring is formed in this given diagram, and this black ring is the unburnt carbon particles. So let's check the options. Option number A, deposition of burnt CO2. No. It is not burnt CO2 particles, it is unburnt carbon particles. So option number A is wrong. Option number B, deposition of unburnt carbon particles in the luminous zone of the flame. Yes, option number B is correct. Deposition of molten wax, no. All of these, no. So our correct answer is option number B. Let's move to the next question, question number 18, which is also based on this same case, same activity. So question number 18 tells the teacher strictly instructed the students not to heat alcohol directly on the flame. Why do you think the teacher gave such an instruction? Let's check the options. Option number A, the temperature of flame is not high enough to heat alcohol. No. Option number B, alcohol is highly inflammable. Yes, this option is correct. The heat of flame is sufficient enough to overcome the ignition temperature of alcohol and it easily catch fire. Ignition temperature is a temperature on which a substance starts burning. So option number C is also correct. According to this, option number D is correct, which is both B and C. So let's move to the next question, question number 19. In question number 19, there is an activity is given. Observe the given figure carefully and correct the statement. First of all, we have to study the diagram. In this diagram, we can see NaOH and phenolphthalein solution is taken in a conical flask, and this is the burette. In this burette, HCl is poured. HCl is poured. We know very well NaOH and HCl both are strong. This is strong acid and this is strong base. When these both react together, HCl and NaOH, these two substances reacts together, they will form salt and water, means NaCl and H2O. So this reaction is happening in this activity, in this diagram. Let's check the options. Option number A, heat is evolved in this reaction. Yes, 100%. This is the neutralization reaction. This is neutralization reaction. So in the neutralization reaction, heat is evolved. This is true. Option number B, the color of the mixture in the conical flask is pink in the beginning. Yes, 100%. This is also true. Starting, the conical flask contain pink color because phenolphthalein is added in NaOH, which is base, and phenolphthalein colors changes in the pink color. Yes, option number B is also correct. It represents a neutralization reaction. It represents, yes, 100%. C option is a neutralization reaction. And D option, no new substance is formed in the reaction. No, new substance are formed. NaCl and H2O are formed in this reaction. So our correct answer is A, B and C, not D. So let's move to the next question, question number 20. In question number 20, which of the following is an amorphous form of carbon? There is two forms. One is amorphous form and another is crystalline form. Which of the form is amorphous and which of the crystalline form? So charcoal is an amorphous form, coke is an amorphous form, coal is an amorphous form. This is a crystalline form. So correct answer is option number A, B and C. So this is the solution of chemistry paper. I hope you have done very well in this examination. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहां पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहां एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहां पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहां पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहां पर टाइप कर सकते हैं, और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 8th biology. Let's start first question for biology. Refer to the given flow chart and select the correct option. It is a unicellular microorganism. Yes. It has well-defined nucleus. If well-defined nucleus, then yes. Yes, then cell wall present, then yes, chloroplast present, then S. ठीक. R, no. S, Q, S, Chlamydomonas, Q, Sargassum, S, Rhizopus. If well-defined nucleus absent, then P, P, Trypanosoma, no. It possesses cell wall. If no, then Q, Paramecium. Paramecium and Chlamydomonas, correct match. Q. Here we put Paramecium as Chlamydomonas, so perfect match. It has chloroplast. It has chloroplast. It possesses cell wall. If no, then is Paramecium. So correct option is B. B is right. Next. Which among the given pair of microbe is involved in the production of cheese? Penicillium, no, because penicillium produce penicillin antibiotic. Nostoc, no. Lactobacillus, no. Streptococcus, no. Anabaena, no. Production of cheese, lactobacillus, because convert in curd, milk into curd. Streptococcus, Streptococcus use in cheese production. Streptococcus. So right answer is option D. Option D is right for this question. In cheese production, Propionibacterium shermani used in formation of cheese. Next question is, mosquito P is the carrier of virus that spread disease Q. Another mosquito R is the carrier of protozoan S that spread disease T. Select the option which correctly identify P, Q, R, S, T. Virus carried by Aedes. It's mean A and C. TCTC, no. B and D, wrong. Next, Q. Spread disease Q. If Anopheles, then malaria. If Aedes, then dengue. Or if Culex, then filariasis. So in this case, virus by Aedes is caused dengue. PQ. R Anopheles, protozoan disease S and T. So Plasmodium and malaria. That is right for R, S, T. But in B, P wrong, and in D, P wrong. In C, S wrong, T wrong. But R, S, T correct in A and B, but P wrong in B. So option A. Option A is right for 23rd question. Next question is, study the given table and select the correct option for PQRS. PQRS. Defreezing mean P. Defreezing mean P. Q. Remove moisture from the food item. It's mean water remove. R. Heating followed by quick cooling. It's mean pasteurization. Packing in airtight container. Airtight container is S. It's mean where no microbes present. But in option A, B, C, D. P. Growth of food spoiling microbe is prevented. Right. Q. Adding sodium benzoate. No. Because remove moisture, it's mean H2O minus. So that is called dehydration. Dehydration in option B. Option B is dehydration and R is pasteurization. So option B is right. Another not match correctly. Right but not match in this case. Like Q not match. So option A is wrong. But in B, Q, R correctly match in table. So option B is right. Next question is, which of the following statement are true and false? Mixed cropping mean growing two or more crop on the same field in alternate row to reduce chance of waste. No, that is not good pattern. So this is wrong. Irrigation by canal is suitable in region where rainfall is very high. No, that is wrong. Next, green manure crops such as sesbania, sunhemp are plowed back into the soil, increase soil nitrogen content. That is right. True. False, false, true. False, false, true in option A. Option A is right for this question. Next question is, match column first and second. First, inorganic substances that are produced in factory. These are fertilizers. Second, adding manure in soil improve the quality of soil. That is water retaining capacity. 4, manure provide huge amount of these organic substances to the soil, that is humus. And last, this nutrient is replenished by growing legume and wheat alternatively, that is nitrogen. 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3 match in option D. Option D is right for this question. Next question is paragraph based. In this case, given diagram is a rumen and arrange the following step in the process of digestion of food in ruminant in correct order. In first, second, third and fourth. This is the digestive system of cow or ruminant present in animal. Ruminant which possess the unique digestive system that allow the better use energy and fibrous material, and herbivores. According to statements or order, correct orders, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. First, food is partially chewed and mixed with the saliva, that is fifth. Next, partially digestion of food in carried out by anaerobic bacteria that harbor in one, that is third. So third, curd is pushed to second, this is first. And fourth, curd is poured back into the mouth for chewing for complete digestion, and food move toward the intestine for complete digestion. So in this order, our right answer is fifth. B. B is correct for this question, because in this case, first time digestion not completed and second time chewing and then move toward the intestine for complete digestion. This is the special feature of ruminant animal for complete digestion of cellulose. Next, enzyme produced by the microorganism harboring in first help in digestion of hemicellulose, no. Digestion of pectin, no. Digestion of cellulose, it is the special feature in ruminants. So option C is right for this question. Next question is, refer to the Venn diagram. Agriculture implement used for harvesting, that is X, and next agriculture implement used for threshing, that is also in X. So identify X and select the incorrect option regarding this Venn diagram. Option A, X could be a sickle or harvester, no. X could be a thresher or trowel, that is wrong. And X could be combine which cut standing crop in field, use in harvesting, and separate the chaff from grain, use right. This is right. X could be a plow or hoe, no. So A, B and D is wrong for harvesting and threshing. Next question is, select the incorrect option regarding X and Z. X and Z plant. It's mean Z plant can prepare their food by photosynthesis, and plant that obtain their nitrogen by catching the digesting insect. It's mean insectivorous plant. So incorrect. Plant X could be a Venus flytrap, right? Plant X could be categorized as a total stem parasite, no. Plant X could be a rose plant, no. Plant X could be Rafflesia, no. So incorrect option B, C, D is right answer for this question. These are the all solution for biology portion. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome in Matrix Olympiad exam stage 2 set B. Now we have to solve the solution of mathematics part. So coming to the question. So first question is, the fraction b upon 3x minus 1 is subtracted from the fraction a upon 2x plus 3. The resulting fraction is minus 11 upon 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. Then find the value of a plus b. So first of all, we have to subtract this number from this number. So first number is a upon 2x plus 3. This number is subtracted from b upon 3x minus 1, and we will get minus 11 upon 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. Now we have to take LCM in left hand side. So LCM is 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. We have to solve this part. So 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3 are cancelled out. So remaining number is a into 3x minus 1 minus b into 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 11 upon 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. Here you can see both denominators are same. So these denominators are cancelled out. So resulting equation is a into 3x minus 1 minus b into 2x plus 3, which is equal to minus 11. Now we have to solve left hand side part and right hand side part. So left hand side is 3ax minus a minus 2bx minus 3b is equal to minus 11. Now we have to take variable terms in one side and constant term is another side. So it is 3a minus 2b into x minus a plus 3b equal to minus 11. Now we have to compare the left hand side part and right hand side part. Here you can see the coefficient of x is 3a minus 2b and here coefficient of x is 0, so 3a minus 2b equal to 0. Similarly here constant term is minus a plus 3b and here constant term is minus 11. So here you can see minus and minus are cancelled out, so this equation becomes a plus 3b equal to 11. Now we have two equation. One equation is 3a minus 2b equal to 0, another equation is a plus 3b equal to 11. Now we have to solve equation number 1 and equation number 2 for getting a value of a and b. So first equation is 3a minus 2b equal to 0. From here I can calculate the value of a is 3a equal to 2b or a equal to 2b upon 3. Now we have to substitute this value in equation number 2. So we will get 2b upon 3 plus 3b equal to 11. Here we have to take LCM is 3. So it is 2b plus 9b equal to 11. So 9b plus 2b is 11b is equal to 11 into 3. 11 and 11 are cancelled out. So the value of b equal to 3. Now substitute this value in this part. So we will get the value of a equal to 2 by 3 into the value of b is 3 and this 3 and 3 are cancelled out. So the value of a is 2. So the value of a is 2 and value of b is 3 and we have to find out the value of a plus b, which is equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So our answer is 5, which is in option C. So option C is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Question number 32, which is there are 3 cell phones A, B and C. A is 50% costlier than C and B is 25% costlier than C. A is A% costlier than B. Then the value of A is. So according to question, the cost of A is C plus 50% of C. It means 50 upon 100 into C. This means C plus C by 2, which is equal to 3C by 2. Next statement is B is 25% costlier than C. So the cost price of B is C plus 25% of C. It means 25 upon 100 into C, which is equal to C plus C by 4. So it is 4C plus C. It is 5C by 4. So the value of A is 3C by 2. Value of B is 5C by 4. It is given that A is A% costlier than B. So the value of A is A% costlier than B. It means B plus A upon 100 into B. Here you can see the value of A is 3C by 2. So I have to put A equal to 3C by 2. The value of B is 5C by 4. So I have to put B equal to 5C by 4 plus A upon 100 into the value of B is 5C by 4. So here I have to put 5C upon 4. Now we have to solve this equation. So it is 3C by 2. From here I can take common C by 4. So this equation becomes 5 plus A into 5A upon 100. Here you can see C and C are cancel out. 2 and 4 are cancelled out by 2 times. Now we have to multiply this 2 in this side. So this equation becomes 6 equal to 5 plus 5A by 100. It means A by 20. Now you can see 5 is here. So 6 minus 5 equal to A upon 20. From here we will get the value of A is 20. And we have to find the value of A. So the value of A is 20, which is in option B. So option B is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Next question is simplify under root of 2022 cube minus 2020 cube minus 2 upon 6. So here first of all I have to write 2022 whole cube equal to 2020 plus 2 whole cube. Now we have to apply a plus b whole cube identity. So the value of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. Here the value of a is 2020 and the value of b is 2. Now we have to solve this part. So it is 2020 whole cube, 2 cube is 8 plus 3 to the 6. So it is 6 into 2020 into 2022. Now we have to put this value in this expression. So we will get 2020 whole cube plus 8 plus 6 into 2020 into 2022 minus 2020 whole cube minus 2 upon 6. You can see 2020 whole cube plus and here 2020 whole cube minus. So these two terms are cancelled out. So we get, and here 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6 plus 6 into 2020 into 2022 upon 6, which is equal to, here you can see 6 is common in numerator part. So it is 6, 1 plus 2020 into 2022 upon 6. 6 and 6 are cancelled out. So we have to simplify this part. So first of all, we have to multiply 2022 by 2020. So we will get, here first of all we have to multiply it by 0. So it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then we have to multiply it by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. Now we have to multiply it by again by 0. So it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we have to multiply it by 2. So it is 4, 4, 0, 4. We have to add all the terms. So we will get 0, 4, 4, 4, 8, 0, 4. So this number is this. Now we have to add plus 1 here. So we will get 1, 4, 4, 4, 8, 0, 4. So this number is square root of 408441, which is a square of 2021. So our answer is 2021, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Question is, A sold a watch to B at 10% profit. B sold it to C at 20% profit. If C paid rupees 396 for it, what was the cost price of the watch for A? So first of all, we have to assume the cost price of watch A equal to X. Now we have to frame an equation according to question. So first statement is A sold a watch to B at 10%. So the selling price equal to X plus 10 upon 100 into X, which is equal to X plus X upon 10 equal to 11X upon 10, equation number 1. Now second statement is B sold it to C, B at 20% profit. So now the selling price of C is 11X upon 10 plus 20% profit. So it is 20 by 100 of 11X upon 10. Now we have to simplify this part. So 10 and 20 are cancelled out by 2 times. 2 and 100 are cancelled out by 50 times. So this equation is 11X upon 10 plus 11X upon 50. Here you can see 11X is common. So it is 1 by 10 plus 1 upon 50. We have to take LCM here. So LCM is 50. So this equation is now 10 5s are 50. So it is 5. 50 1s are 50. So it is 1. So this equation is 11X into 6 upon 50. And the cost of C is given that 396. The selling price of C is already given that 396, which is equal to 11X into 6 upon 50. We have to simplify this equation. So we will get X equal to 396 into 50 upon 11 into 6. 11 and 396 are cancelled out by 11 3s are 33 and 11 6 are 66. So it is 36. X equal to 36 into 50 upon 6, which is equal to 6 6 are 36. 6 into 50 is 300. So the value of X is 300. It means the cost price of watch for A is rupees 300, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Next question is, in the given figure, if ABCD is a rectangle, then the value of X plus Y in degree is. So here you can see ABCD is a rectangle is given and the BD is a diagonal. So you can see clearly here, this is a straight line and we have to find out the value of X plus Y. In a straight line, X and Y are linear pair angle and the sum of linear pair angle is supplementary angle, which means the sum of X plus Y is 180 degree. So the value of X plus Y is 180 degree, which is in option B. So option B is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Next question is, simplify 0.777 dot into 0.3333 dot into 0.222 dot upon 0.7 bar plus 0.3 bar plus 0.2 bar. Here you can see all the numbers are non-terminating repeating numbers. So I have to write 0.777 equal to 0.7 bar. Similarly, I have to write 0.3 bar and 0.2 I have to write 0.2 bar. And when we convert this number into a rational number, so 0.7 bar is 7 upon 9, 0.3 bar is 3 upon 9 and 0.2 bar is 2 upon 9. Now I have to put this value in this expression. So we will get 7 upon 9 into 3 upon 9 into 2 upon 9 upon 7 upon 9 plus 3 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9. Here you can see in numerator it is 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, so it is 42 upon 9 cube. In denominator we have to take LCM, so LCM is 9 and the numerator part is 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So it is 42 upon 9 cube into 9 upon 12. 9 and 9 cube are cancelled out, 12 and 42 are cancelled out by 2, so it is 21 and it is 6. Again this number is cancelled out by 3, so it is 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. So our answer is 7 upon 9 square into 2, which is equal to 7 upon 9 square is 81 into 2, which is equal to 7 upon 162. So the value of this expression is 7 upon 162, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Find the probability of getting the product of a perfect square of a natural number when two dice are thrown together. So when we throw a two dice together, so the total possible outcomes are 36. Total possible outcomes are 36, and we know the formula of probability is number of favorable outcome upon number of total outcomes. So here total outcomes are 36 and the favorable outcomes are, we have to find out the product of a perfect square. So when the number is 1, 1, so it becomes the product of this is 1, which is a perfect square number. Similarly, when the number is 2, 2, again we will get the product is perfect square number. Similarly, third number is 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. 6 favorable outcomes are these. Another, we have get the perfect square number like 1, 4 and 4, 1. So the total favorable outcomes to getting a perfect square number are 8. So the probability for this is favorable outcome 8 upon total outcome 36. Both number are divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So it is 2 by 9. So the probability for this is 2 upon 9, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Simplify cube root of 2 plus 10 upon 3 under root 3 plus cube root of 2 minus 10 upon 3 under root 3. So first of all, we have to assume that First of all, we have to assume that cube root of 2 plus 10 upon 3 under root 3 equal to A, and cube root of 2 minus 10 upon 3 under root 3. This 2 minus 10 upon 3 under root 3 equal to B. And this whole expression I have to assume that x equal to this number. So x equal to cube root of A plus cube root of B. Let us assume this is equation number 1. Now we have to take cube in both sides. So we will get x cube equal to cube root of A plus cube root of B whole cube. And here we have to apply A plus B whole cube identity. I have to write first of all A plus B whole cube equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. We have to apply this identity in this part. So we will get x cube equal to cube root of A whole cube is A plus B cube. So cube root of B cube is B plus 3 into cube root of AB into A plus B. It means cube root of A plus cube root of B. Here you can see cube root of A plus cube root of B is x. So I have to put this value as x. Now this equation becomes x cube equal to A plus B plus 3 into cube root of AB into x. Now I have to substitute the value of A and B. The value of A is 2 plus 10 upon 3 under root 3. The value of B is 2 minus 10 upon 3 under root 3. So I have to substitute the value of A and B. So x cube equal to 2 plus 10 upon 3 under root 3 plus 2 minus 10 upon 3 under root 3 plus 3x into cube root of 2 plus 10 upon 3 under root 3 into 2 minus 10 upon 3 under root 3. Now x cube equal to, here you can see 10 upon 3 under root 3 plus and 10 upon 3 under root 3 is minus. So these two terms are cancel out. 2 plus 2 is 4. So it is 4 plus it is 3x cube root of, when we have to multiply these two numbers, so we will get A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square. So 2 square is 4 minus B square. So 10 square is 100 and the square of 3 under root 3 is 3 square is 9, root 3 square is 3 and 9 3s are 27. So the equation is x cube equal to 4 plus 3x into cube root of, we have to take LCM here. So we will get 108 minus 100 upon 27. So this equation is now x cube equal to 4 plus 3x into, here you can see 108 minus 100 is 8 and the cube root of 8 is 2. So it becomes 2 upon, and the cube root of 27 is 3. So it is 2 by 3. 3 and 3 are cancel out. So this equation is now x cube minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So the equation is x cube minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0, which is in cubic equation, and we have to solve cubic equation by hit and trial method. So first I have to substitute the value of x equal to 2. So here you can see 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 4, which is equal to 0. It means x equal to 2 is a one root of this cubic equation. So the value of x equal to 2. Again, we have to find out the another two factors. For finding another two factors, we have to divide this equation by x minus 2. And when we calculate another two factors, so these two factors are imaginary factors, imaginary roots. So our answer is, the value of this expression is x equal to 2, which is in option D. So option D is the right answer. Now coming to the next question, true false question. First statement is, if under root of 0.16 into 0.4x equal to 0.4 into 0.2 under root y, then the value of x upon y is equal to 0.01. So let's check, is it correct or not. So first of all, we have to do squaring in both sides. So when we do squaring in both sides, so we will get 0.16 into 0.4x equal to 0.4 into 0.2 square into y. Here 0.16, so I have to remove the decimal value, so I have to write this number is 16 upon 100 into 4 upon 10 into x equal to 0.4 square, which is equal to 0.16, and 0.16 I can write 16 upon 100 into 0.2 square is 0.04, and 0.04 I have to write 4 upon 100 into y. Here you can see 16 by 100 and 16 by 100 are cancel out. This 4 and this 4 are cancel out. So x upon y equal to 10 upon 100, which is equal to 1 by 10 equal to 0.1. It means x upon y is 0.1, which is false statement. So this statement is a false statement. Next is, if 3a equal to 4b and a plus b equal to 7 under root 29, then the value of under root of a square plus b square is 5 under root 29. So here we have given two linear equation. First equation is 3a minus 4b equal to 0. I have to write 3a equal to 4b in the form of ax plus by plus c, that is 3a minus 4b equal to 0. The second equation is a plus b is equal to 7 under root 29. Now I have to multiply this equation by 4. So we will get this equation is 4a plus 4b equal to 4 7 ja 28 under root 29, and the second equation is 3a minus 4b is equal to 0. Now we have to add these two equations, so we will get 4b and 4b are cancel out, so 4a plus 3a is 7a equal to 28 under root 29. From here I will get the value of a is 4 under root 29. Now I have to put this value in any one equation, so we will get the value of b. So I have to put the value of a in this equation, so we will get 3 into 4 under root 29 minus 4b is equal to 0. From here 4 3s are 12, so it is 12 under root 29 equal to 4b. From here we will get the value of b is 3 under root 29. Now I have to calculate the value of under root of a square plus b square. So under root of a square, so 4 square is 16 and 29 square, under root 29 square is 29. So 16 into 29 plus 3 square is 9 and root 29 square is 29. So it is 29 into 25, which is equal to 5 under root 29, and it is given that under root of a square plus b square is 5 under root 29. It means this statement is a true statement. Next is under root of 13 minus a under root 10 equal to root 8 plus root 5, then the value of a is minus 4. So in this equation we have to do first squaring in both sides, so we will get 13 minus a under root 10 equal to square of root 8 plus root 5 is 8 plus 5 plus 2 under root 8 into under root 5. Now you can see here 8 plus 5 is 13 and it is 13, so these 13 and these 13 are cancel out. So here it is minus a under root 10 equal to 2, under root 8 is 2 under root 2 into under root 5. Here under root 2 into under root 5 is under root 10, so this term is cancelled out by this term, so we will get the value of a is minus 4, and it is given a is minus 4. It means this statement is also true statement. So our answer is FTT, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Next question is again true false question. First statement is, if under root of cube root of x plus 0.000009 equal to 0.3, then the value of under root x is 18. So again here it is given that square root. So first of all we have to do squaring in both sides. So we will get cube root of x plus, here I have to write in this exponent form, so I have to write 9 into 10 to the power, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to write it is 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 is equal to 0.3 square, which is equal to 9 by 100. So 0.3, when we can remove the decimal value, so it is 3 by 10, and when we do square of 3 by 10, so we will get 9 upon 100. Now it is cube root of x plus 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 equal to 9 by 100. Now we have to do cube in both sides, so we will get here x plus 9 into 10 to the power minus 6, and the cube of 9 cube is 729, and it is 10 square, and the cube of 10 square is 10 to the power 6. So from here we will get x equal to 729 upon 10 to the power 6 minus 9 upon 10 to the power 6. From here we will get the LCM is 10 to the power 6, so it is 729 minus 9, which is equal to 720 upon 10 to the power 6, and it is given that now we have to do square root in both sides, so we will get square root of x equal to square root of 720 upon 10 to the power 6. Here you can see square root of 720, I have to write this number is 9 into 8 into 10, factor of 720 is this, and 10 to the power 6, square root of 10 to the power 6 is 10 to the power 3. Now I have to calculate the square root of this number, so square root of 9 is 3, square root of 8 I have to write 2, under root of 10 to the 20, so it is 6 under root 20 upon 10 to the power 3, but it is given that square root of x is 18, but it is not the answer, so this statement is false statement. Next is if cube root of x upon 729 plus cube root of 8x upon 729 plus cube root of 27x upon 5832 equal to 1, then the value of x is 8. So here you can see we know the cube root of 729, we know the cube root of 729, and we know the cube root of 5832. So first of all I have to write cube root of these number. So cube root of 729 is equal to 9, and cube root of 5832 is equal to 18. Now I have to solve this equation, so we will get cube root of x upon 9 plus cube root of 8 is 2, so it is 2 cube root of x upon 9 plus cube root of 27x, so cube root of 27 is 3, so it is 3 cube root of x upon 18 is equal to 1. Now we have to take cube root of x is common, so it is cube root of x. Here we will get 1 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 plus 3 upon 18 is equal to 1. So it is cube root of x, the LCM is 18. So this number is 9, 2 plus 2 to the 4 plus 3 is equal to 1. So from here we will get cube root of x is equal to 18 upon 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So it is 9 to the 18. So cube root of x equal to 2. Now we have to do cube in both sides. So we will get x equal to 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8, and it is given the value of x is 8. It means this statement is a true statement. Last statement is the cube root of a rational number x upon y is cube root x upon under root y. It is a false statement because the cube root of a rational number x upon y is cube root of x upon cube root of y, but it is given cube root of x upon under root of y, so this means this statement is a false statement. So our answer is FTF, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Next question is match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So first statement is given, sum of all interior angles of a polygon when number of side is x. So when number of side is x, then the sum of all interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. Here the number of side is given x, so it is x minus 2 into 180. It means for P, fourth one is true. Next is sum of all exterior angles in a polygon. So sum of all exterior angles in a polygon is 360 degree. It means for Q, first one is true. Next is each exterior angle in a regular polygon. Each exterior angle in a regular polygon is 360 upon number of sides. So here number of sides are x. So for R, third one is true. And the last statement is each interior angle in a regular polygon. So each interior angle in a regular polygon is x minus 2 into 180 upon x, where x is the number of sides. So our answer is 4, 1, 3, 2. 4, 1, 3, 2, which is in option B. Now coming to the next question. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. A bar graph shows the favorite fruits of 100 students. So here total number of students are given 100 and we have to find out the probability according to these statements. So first statement is probability of choosing a student who like mangoes. So the number of students who like mango are 40. So the probability is 40 by 100, which is equal to 0.4. It means for P, first one is true. Second is probability of choosing a student who like banana. So here you can see the number of students who like banana are 20. So it is 20 by 100, which is equal to 0.2. So for Q, second one is true. Third is probability of choosing a student who does not like orange. So number of students who like orange are 15. So number of students who does not like orange are 100 minus 15 upon total students are 100. So it becomes 85 upon 100, which is equal to 0.85. So for R, third one is true. Last is probability of choosing a student who like apple or orange. So here you can see who like apple or orange. So number of students who like apple are 25 plus number of students who like orange are 15. So 25 plus 15 upon 100, which is equal to 40 upon 100, equal to 0.40. So for S, fourth one is true. So our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Next question is paragraph based question. Ramesh wanted to buy a laptop online. The website shows the laptop marked price as rupees 50,000. During the festival sale, the company announced a 15% discount on all electronics item. Further, a coupon code gave an extra 10% discount on the already discounted price. After applying both discount, 18% GST was charged on the selling price. Ramesh paid the final bill using his credit card. So based on this paragraph, first question is find the final price Ramesh paid for the laptop after both discounts but before GST. So here marked price of laptop is 50,000. So first of all, first discount is company announced at 15%. So first of all, we have to find out the 15% discount of this laptop amount. So we have to multiply it by 15 by 100. So we will get these two zero are cancelled out by this. So it is 500 into 15, which is equal to 15 into 0 is 0, 15 into 0 is 0, 15 5s are 75. So it is 7,500. So the after 15% discount, the laptop price is 50,000 minus 7,500, which is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Here we have to take borrow. So it is 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, it is 4. So after 15% discount, the price of laptop is 42,500. Next, company gave an extra 10% discount on coupon code. So we have to find out the 10% discount of 42,500. So 42,500 into 10 upon 100, which is equal to these two zero are cancelled out. So it is 4,250. Now the next price of laptop is 42,500 minus 4,250, which is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, so it is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, it is 12, 12 minus 4 is 8, and it is 3. So after both discount, the price of laptop is 38,250, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Find the total amount he paid after including 18% GST. So before GST, the price of laptop is 38,250. In previous question we have already calculated this amount. Now we have to find out the 18% GST of this amount. So 18 upon 100, we have to multiply this by this amount. So we will get, here you can see these 0 are cancelled out, 18 and 10 are cancelled out by 2, so it is 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, so it becomes 3825 into 9 upon 5, 3825 upon 5. So both numbers are divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35, 3 2 5 6 are 30, 2 5 5 5s are 25, so it is 765 into 9. Now we have to multiply it, 765 into 9, so we will get 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 9 6 are 54, 54 and 4 is 58, carry 5, 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 5 is 68. So the GST is 6,885. So the total amount is 38,250 plus 6,885. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 8 plus 3 is 11, carry 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, carry 1. So it is 45,135, which is in option C. So option C is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Again, this question is paragraph based question. So paragraph is, rationalization is a process of removing the root from the denominator of a fraction. It is useful in simplifying expressions. For example, if a student needs to simplify 1 upon under root 3, he multiplies numerator and denominator by under root 3. So here, given that how to rationalize a denominator, any irrational number, so this process is given in this paragraph, and based on this paragraph, the first question is rationalize 1 upon under root of 7 plus under root of 3 minus under root of 2. So first of all, we have to do multiply the conjugate of under root 7 plus under root 3 minus under root 2. So I have to take one number is this part and another number is this part. So we have to multiply it in numerator and denominator by under root 7 plus under root 3 plus under root 2 upon under root 7 plus under root 3 plus under root 2. Here you can see, here this numerator is 1, this numerator is this. So we have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So in numerator we will get under root 7 plus under root 3 plus under root 2 upon, in denominator we will get under root 7 plus under root 3 square minus under root 2 square. So we will get under root 7 plus under root 3 plus under root 2 upon, here you can see a plus b whole square, which is equal to 7 plus 3 plus 2 under root of 21 minus root 2 square is 2. So here this expression is now root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2 upon 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. So it is 8 plus 2 under root of 21. Now again we have to do rationalization, because in denominator again we have a irrational number. So we have to multiply it by root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2 upon, denominator is 8 plus 2 under root 21, and we have to multiply this number by, in numerator and denominator, by 8 minus 2 under root 21 upon 8 minus 2 under root 21. So in numerator we will get under root 7 plus under root 3 plus under root 2 into 8 minus 2 under root 21 upon, in denominator we will get a square minus b square. So 8 square is 64 minus 2 square is 4 and root 21 square is 21. So we will get, we have to multiply in numerator. So we will get 8 under root 7 plus 8 under root 3 plus 8 under root 2 minus 2 into 7 in under root of 7 into 21 minus 2 into 3 into 7 in 3 into 7 into 3 minus 2 into 21 into 2 upon 64 minus 84, which is equal to minus 20. So here you can see 8 under root 7 plus 8 under root 3 plus 8 under root 2 minus 7 under root 21 square root, which is equal to 7 under root 3. So 7 2s are 14. So it is 14 under root 3 minus, here you can see 3 square into 7 square root. So it is 3 under root 7. 3 2s are 6. So it is 6 under root 7 minus 2 under root of 42 upon minus 22, which is equal to, here you can see 8 under root 7 and 6 under root 7, which is equal to 2 under root 7, 8 under root 3 minus 14 under root 3, which is equal to 6 under root 3, 8 plus 8 under root 2 minus 2 under root 42 upon minus 22. Here you can see in numerator and denominator 2 is a common, so we will get 2 in bracket, we will get under root 7 minus 3 under root 3 plus 4 under root 2 minus under root 42 upon minus 20. 2 and 20 are cancelled out by 10. So we will get minus under root 7 minus 3 under root 3 plus 4 under root 2 minus root 42 upon 10. So which is in option C. So option C is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. Next question is, if 5 plus under root 3 upon 7 minus 4 under root 3 equal to 94a plus 3 under root 3b, then find the value of 2 into a plus b. So here you can see, if 5 plus under root 3 upon 7 minus 4 under root 3 equal to 94a plus 3 under root 3b, then find the value of 2 into a plus b. So first of all, we have to do rationalization in left hand side. So we will get, let's solve, first of all we have to solve left hand side part. So we will get 5 plus under root 3 upon 7 minus 4 under root 3. This is the left hand side. We have to multiply it by conjugate of denominator. So conjugate of denominator is 7 plus 4 under root 3. So we have to multiply it by 7 plus 4 under root 3 in both numerator and denominator. In numerator we will get 5 7s are 35 plus 5 4s are 20 under root 3 plus 7 under root 3 plus 4 under root 3 into root 3 is 12. So it is 12. In denominator we will get 7 square, which is equal to 49, minus 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3. So 16 into 3 is 48. So here we can get for 35 plus 12 equal to 47 plus 27 under root 3 upon 1. So this is left hand side part. Now this equal to is given 94a plus 3 under root 3b. So we have to compare left hand side part and right hand side part. A rational number part compare with rational part and irrational part compare with irrational part. So here you can see 47 equal to 94a. From here we will get a equal to 47 upon 94, which is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly we have to compare 27 under root 3 equal to 3 under root 3b. So here root 3 and root 3 are cancelled out. So we will get b equal to 9. So the value of a is 1 by 2 and the value of b is 9. Now we have to find out the value of 2 into a plus b. So the value of a is 1 by 2 plus value of b is 9. So it is 2 into 9 to the 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, 19 upon 2 into 2, 2 and 2 are cancelled out. So we will get the value of 2 into a plus b is 19. So the value of 2 into a plus b is 19, which is in option A. So option A is the right answer. Now coming to the next question. question number 47. So question number 47 is a coin is tossed 10 times and outcomes are observed as T, H, T, T, H, H, T, H, H and H. Find the probability of getting a tail. So here you can see total outcomes are 10 and we have to find out the probability of getting a tail. So here you can see tail are how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4. So the probability for this is 4 by 10. So option number A is true. Next 4 by 10 which is equal to 2 by 5. So it means option B is also right. 4 by 10 which is equal to 0.4. It means option C is also right. And option D is given all of these. So option D is also right. So our answer is A, B, C and D. Now coming to the next question. In a triangle, two exterior angles are 110 and 120 degree. Which statement are correct? The third exterior angle is 130 degree. And we know any polygon, the sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. So here polygon is given triangle. So two exterior angles are given. So third angle is, let us assume x. So x plus 110 plus 120 equal to 360 degree. So x plus it is 230 equal to 360 degree. So the third exterior angle is 130 degree. It means the third exterior angle is 130 degree. It means option A is correct. Next option is the third interior angle is 50 degree. If two exterior angles are given, so first interior angle is 180 minus 110 which is equal to 70 degree. It is first interior angle of a triangle. Second interior angle is 180 minus 120 which is equal to 60 degree. So it is our second interior angle. Third is, so third exterior angle is 130 degree. So third interior angle is 180 minus 130 which is equal to 50 degree. And it is given that third interior angle is 50 degree. Yes, third interior angle is 50 degree. It means option B is also correct. Third is the sum of all three interior angle is 180 degree. Yes, it is also true. Next is the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Here you can see all interior angles are there, 70 degree, 60 degree and 50 degree. All angles are acute angles. So this triangle is a acute angle triangle. So it means option D is false option. So our answer is A, B and C. Now coming to the next question. The marks of 10 students are 12, 15, 18, 20, 22, 25, 30, 30, 35, 20. Which statement are correct? So first option is the mean is 22.7. So mean for this data is 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20 plus 22 plus 25 plus 30 plus 30 plus 35 plus 20 upon we have to divide by 10. When we add all the observations, so we will get 227 and the total number of observation are 10. So the mean is 227 upon 10 which is equal to 22.7. It means the mean is 22.7. So it is correct. Next is the mode is 25. The mode, definition of mode is which number is occur in most times. So here you can see 25 occurs in only one time. So it means mode is not a 25. So this is a false. Next is the median is 21. So here you can see number of observations are even. When number of observations are even, then median is n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So here you can see number of terms are 10, so n is 10, so 10 by 2 it means 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. So for calculating 5th term and 6th term, first of all we have to arrange all the observation in increasing order. So first of all we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. So first minimum number is 12, then 15, then 18, 20 is occurs in 2 times, so I have to write 20 comma 20, then 22, then 25, then 30, then 30 and last number is 35. So here you can see 5th term and 6th term. So 5th term is 20, 6th term is 22. So 20 plus 22 upon 2 which is equal to 42 upon 2 which is equal to 21. So it means median of this observation is 21, so option C is correct. Next is the range is 23. For any data, range equal to maximum number minus minimum number. So here you can see maximum number is 35, minimum number is 12. So 35 minus 12 is 23, which means range is 23. So it means option D is correct. Now coming to the next question. Next question is a sum of rupees 12,000 is invested at 10% per annum. Which of the following are correct? So first is simple interest in 2 years is rupees 2,400. So we know the formula of simple interest, SI is equal to principal amount into rate into time upon 100, which is equal to, here you can see principal amount is 12,000. So it is 12,000, rate is given 10% and time is given 2. So 12,000 into 10 into 2 upon 100. So here these two 0 are cancelled out. So when we solve 120 into 10 into 2, so we will get 2,400. So it means simple interest in 2 years is rupees 2,400. So it means option A is correct. Next is compound interest in 2 years is rupees 2,520. So we have to calculate the compound interest, and the compound interest formula is principal amount into 1 plus rate is 10 by 100 whole square time. So time is given 2 years, so it is 10 by 100 whole square. So which is equal to 12,000 into 100 plus 1 is 100 plus 10 is 110 upon 100 whole square. So we will get 12,000 into these two 0 are cancelled out. So 11 square is 121 upon 100. So these two 0 are cancelled out. So we will get 120 into 121. So we have to multiply it by 120 and 120. So we will get 0. 12 ones are 12. Carry 1. 12 to the 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Carry 2. 12 ones are 12. 12 and 2 is 14. So amount is 14,520. So compound interest is minus principal amount. So we will get 2,520. It means compound interest in 2 years is rupees 2,520. It means option B is also correct. Next is difference between CI and SI is rupees 120. So we have to subtract 2,520 to 2,400. So we will get 0, 2, 5 minus 4 is 1. So it is 120. It means option C is also correct. Last is simple interest in 3 years is rupees 3,600. So simple interest in 3 years is 12,000 into 3 into 10 by 100. So these two 0 are cancelled out. So it is 1200 into 3, which is equal to rupees 3,600. It means option D is also correct. So our answer is A, B, C and D. So this is all the solution of mathematics parts. Thank you all. If you want to more updates or more query, you can subscribe our Matrix YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, Welcome to this channel. We are here to discuss the solution of logical reasoning section of class 8. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. Find the wrong number of given number series. So first find the pattern of the given number series. So now pattern of the series is 27 to 28. It means if 1 is added to 27, then we get 28. Now 28 to 32, it means adding 4. 32 to 59, it means adding 27. So now pattern is 4, it means power of 2 is 2. 27, it means power of 3 is 3. Now 1, it means power of 1 is 1. So pattern is power of 1 is 1, power of 2 is 2, power of 3 is 3. Now power of 4 is 4. Now power of 4 is 4, it means 256. So adding 256 in 59, then we get 315. Now next is power of 5 is 5. Power of 5 is 5, it means 3125. So adding 3125 in 315, then we get 3440. But here 3450 is given, so it means 3450 is the wrong number of given number series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the missing term of given letter series. So first find the pattern of the series. So taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is Z. First alphabet of second term is Y. First alphabet of third term is X. After X next is W. After W next is V. And after V next letter is missing. So now pattern is Z, Y, X, W, V. Next is U. So first missing alphabet of missing term is U. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is B. Second alphabet of second term is D. B, D. After D next is F. After F next is H. After H next is J. And after J next letter is missing. So now find the pattern. So find the place value of given letter. So place value of B is 2. Place value of D is 4. Place value of F is 6. Place value of H is 8. Place value of J is 10. So now pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now next is 12. So 12 it means L, because place value of L is 12 in English alphabet. So second missing alphabet of missing term is L. Now taking third alphabet of each term. So third alphabet of first term is A. Third alphabet of second term is C. Third alphabet of third term is E. After E next is G. After G next is I. And after I next letter is missing. Now find the place value of given letter. So place value of A is 1, C it means 3, E it means 5, G it means 7, I it means 9. Now next is 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now next is 11. 11 it means K, because place value of K is 11 in English alphabet. So third missing letter of missing term is K. So ULK is the missing term of given series. So ULK, it means option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. A unique sequence of letter and number is presented. Find the missing term. So in this question, taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is A. First alphabet of second term is C. First alphabet of third term is F. After F next is J, and after J next is missing. So find the place value of given letters. So place value of A is 1, place value of C is 3, place value of F is 6, place value of J is 10. Now check the pattern. 1 to 3 it means adding 2, 3 to 6 it means again adding 3, 6 to 10 it means adding 4. So pattern is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, now plus 5. So plus 5 it means 15. So 15 it means O, because place value of O is 15. So first missing letter is O of missing term. Now taking second letter of each term. So second letter of first term is Z. Second letter of second term is X. Second letter of third term is V. After V next is T, and after T next letter is missing. Now find the place value of given letters. So place value of Z is 26, place value of X is 24, place value of V is 22. Now place value of T is 20. So pattern is 26 minus 2, it means 24, 24 minus 2, it means 22, 22 minus 2, it means 20. Now 20 minus 2, it means 18, 18 it means R. So second missing letter of missing term is R. Now find the missing number. So number of the series is 2, 6, after 6 next is 21, after 21 next is 88, and after 88 next is missing. So find the pattern of given number series. So pattern of the series is 2 to 6, it means 2 multiply by 2 plus 2, it means 6. Now 6 to 21, it means 6 multiply by 3 plus 3, it means 21. Now 21 to 88, it means 21 into 4 plus 4. 21 into 4, it means 84 plus 4, it means 88. So pattern is multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 4, now multiply by 5. So it means 88 multiply by 5. And other pattern is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, now plus 5. So 88 multiply by 5, it means 440 plus 5, it means 445. So 445 is the missing number of given series. So O445 R is the missing term of given series. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. If A means plus, B means minus, C means multiply by, and D means divided by, then find the value of given equation. So equation is 18. C it means multiply by 14. A it means plus 6. B it means minus 16. D it means divided by 4. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the number. So 16 divided by 4, it means 4. So 18 multiply by 14 plus 6 minus 4. Now multiply the number. So 18 multiply by 14, it means 252 plus 6 minus 4. So 252 plus 6, it means 258 minus 4. 258 minus 4, it means 254. So here 254 is the correct value of given equation. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. In this question, relationship between different element is shown in the statement. These statements are followed by two conclusions. We have two statements and we have two conclusions also. So taking first conclusion. So now according to first conclusion, G is greater than to N. G is greater than to N. So we have to move G to N. So G to move G to N. So G is equals to F. G is equals to F. F is equals to I. So it means G also is equals to I. Now I is greater than to W. I is greater than to W means G is greater than to W. Now W is greater than to T. So it means G is also greater than to T. Now T is greater than to N. So it means T also greater than to N. So here conclusion number first is definitely true according to given statement. Now check the conclusion number second. So according to conclusion second, F is greater than to T. So we have to move from F to T. So F to T. So F is equals to I. Now I is greater than to W. So it means F is also greater than to W. Now W is greater than to T. It means F is also greater than to T. So here conclusion second is also definitely true. So here both conclusion first and second are true is the correct answer. So it means option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Find the mirror image of given figure. AB is a mirror. So find the mirror image of given figure. So in the mirror image question, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So mirror image of given figure looks like as follows. So this part, first find the mirror image of this part. So mirror image of this part will look something like this. This is the shaded portion. Now mirror image of this part will look something like this. Now find the mirror image of this part, and mirror image of this part will look something like this. Now find the mirror image of this part, so this part will look something like this, and mirror image of this part will look something like this. And mirror image of this part looks something like this. This is the complete shaded part. So this is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option D is the correct answer of this question, because option D shows the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57 in a row. Tanuj is 15 from the left end, Nana is 56th from the right end, and 16 to the right of Rohit. If all are facing towards the north, then find out the total number of person in the row. So in a row, all are facing towards the north. And so this is the left end of the row and this is the right end of the row. Now Tanuj is 15 from the left. So position of Tanuj is 15 from the left end. And this is the right side of the Tanuj and this is the left side of Tanuj. Naina is 56 from the right. Position of Naina is 56th from the right end. Here is Naina. And 16 to the, Naina is 16 to the right of Rohit. So it means Rohit is 16. It means 56 plus 16. It means 72 place from the right end. Position of Rohit is 72 from the right end. So find the total number of person in the row. Find the total number of person. So in this question, position of a person from the left and right is not given. So left position of and right position of a single person is not given in this question. So there total, so we can't find the total number of person in this question. And number of mid person in between Tanuj and Naina is also not given. So we can't find the total number of person in this question. So here option D can't be determined is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. Rama is 17th place from the left end and 13th to the right of Kapil, who is 37th from the right end. If all of them are facing north, find out the total number of persons in the row. So in a row, all are facing towards the north. So this is the left end of the row and this is the right end of the row. And Rama is 17th from the left end. Position of Rama is 17th from the left end. It means 16 person ahead of Rama in this row. And Rama is 13th place to the right of Kapil. So it means Kapil, position of Kapil is fourth from the left, because Rama is 13th place right of Kapil. So it means position of Kapil is fourth from the left. Position of Kapil from the left is equals to 17 minus 13. It means fourth. And Kapil is 37th from the right hand. Position of Kapil is 37th from the right hand. So position of Kapil from the right hand is equals to 37. So find the total number of person in the row. Find the total number of persons. So left position of Kapil is 4 and right position of Kapil is also given. So it means left position plus right position of the same person minus 1 for the total number of person of the row. So left position of Kapil is 4 plus right position of Kapil is 37 minus 1. So 4 plus 37 it means 41 minus 1 it means 14. So there are 40 person in the row. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So now question number 59. Choose a figure which would most closely resembles the unfolded form of figure Z. So unfold the figure in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each unfold. So first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X because X represents unfolded paper. So first unfold the Z, then we get Y. So Z will be unfolded in this direction because Y has been folded in this direction. When unfold the Z, then we get a image something like this. And this is the folded part. This is Y. Now unfold the Y. Unfold the Y. So Y will be unfolded in this direction because X has been folded in this direction. So when unfold the Y, then we get a image something like this. This is the correct unfolded sheet after cut. So here option C is the correct answer because option C shows the correct unfolded sheet after cut. So here option C is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. A person walks 12 km towards north, then walks 15 km towards east. After that walks 19 km towards west and then walks 15 km towards south. How far is from the starting point? So as we know, there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now question is, a person walks 12 km towards the north. Let's suppose A is the starting point of a person. Now person walks 12 km towards the south. So first he goes 12 km towards the north. Then walks 15 km towards east. Then he goes 15 km towards east direction. After that he walks 19 km towards west. He goes 19 km towards west. So this is the west direction. So he goes 19 kilometers. So he goes after 15, then he goes 4 more kilometer from this point. So he goes, total is 19, 15 plus 4. So total is 19. Now he goes 15 kilometer towards south. Now he goes 15 kilometer towards south. Let's suppose B is the final point of the person. A is the starting point of the person and B is the final person. Now find the distance between A and B. Find the distance between A and B. So first draw a parallel line to this line. So let's suppose this point is C. So in a right angle triangle ACB, value of AC is 4 kilometer. Now value of BC is equals to, total is 15 minus 12, it means 3 kilometer. So value of AC is 4 and value of BC is 3 kilometer. Now using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, so according to Pythagoras, hypotenuse, it means AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. Now AC it means 4 square plus BC it means 3 square. So AB square is equals to 4 square, it means 16 plus 3 square, it means 9. So AB square is equals to 16 plus 9, it means 25 kilometers. 25. Now AB is equals to root 25, it means 5 kilometer. So distance between starting point and final point is 5 kilometers. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the paper solution. I hope you understood it very well. If you have any query or doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the Matrix Olympiad website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any kind of new information will be shared on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also follow the Matrix WhatsApp channel for new information. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.